Got a scoop here. Might be better than this egg tray because this egg tray is wet through.
Right, I'll tell you what then. If it's the egg tray that's wet through, if I take the phone.
Take the bucket. Compliment bucket.
33 in there.
Yeah.
33 duck eggs.
Owing to Nate's not done and mine's still 4 for another week and a half.
Hey. How white he is on shoulders. Now where that grey patch is white. Whereas his wings are yellow. Double white. He's losing all the old feathers. Breeding season's done. That's it. All my girls coming out now. All my girls will stop laying. The only ones that'll be left laying is that pen there. I might get the odd AM and that from new layers. But all the pure breeds will stop because it's end of season. I think we've got 2 Brahma eggs in here. I saw 2 last night.
You got your pen, Kira.
Keep on it now, leave them.
Yeah.
Cool. Only problem is I don't think the boys are doing the job yet.
That one's lost all its hair, it's bad.
Feathers, sweetheart, and the reason she's lost her feathers is because the males have been treading. This soft feathered breed, which means the feathers break really easy.
Oh, that's what soft
Feathered, similar to your AMs. Their feathers are a lot stronger, a lot of mine are hard feathered, but your Brahmas, soft feathered. Silkies are soft feathered. Peach, get off that shed!
What's that?
No. My main egg roll.
Oh.
Peach, don't make me clip your wings.
Probably flying to the trees, wouldn't it?
She will.
Well, she always comes back after.
She knows where she lives.
And she knows where.
I've got no from YouTube at the minute. We've not been doing no work.
Aww, babies.
wondering if I could put them back out instead.
Yeah, be my guest. As long as they're back in at night. Oh, Pidge, you found your way in. I've got the mustard card, your pen, I've got a small one at Bahamas, boy's pen, and then it's walk round through all chicks.
Just leave the food.
Come on, Jazzy.
Julie, wait for me.
You do know they're poisonous, don't you?
big as mine. Plus, you can't climb a tree to save your life. No, you can't.
Peekaboo! I'm the queen of the castle.
There is no queen and there is no castle.
The tree is the castle. I'm the queen.
There is no castle and there is no queen.
Okay.
You having fun?
Not really.
Okay.
Ben and Bonnie is a teeth of it.
Jazz, please stop it. You're vibrating the pen.
I like that one with the red wings.
What is this one here?
No, the red ring on its leg. The red cat.
Is that the one we bought from that mister?
No. He's bigger than the one we bought from the
Is it
mister.
in here?
What?
One that
No.
you bought from.
Because he's older. Jasmine, give over. You're rocking the pen.
I like gigantic chip where it's like gold.
Gigantochicks going in oven.
I wonder if he's going to be black.
They're black and white. His meat will be patched.
Oh, that's going to be disgusting. It's
It's going to be weird. It'll be black and white. You know how a chicken breast is white? He'll be black and white. Maybe grey.
What, so
It'll look black. The AM Somani's meat is black. Raw, it's black.
This is what is inside.
No, it stays black. It looks like it's crucified.
This is in the inside of the It's like it's this. I've never seen it inside.
I don't know, I've never tried it.
That's what grows an oak tree.
I'd like to try it, gigantic.
You can if you want. Do you know how long it takes to grow an oak tree?
Yes.
Years. It can take a year just for them to come out the ground.
Oh.
Oh, well.
Off you go.
Got my voice. We've got kind of overgrown. I've lost my greenhouse between grapes and tomatoes. I no longer have a greenhouse. Some of these trees seem to have been going green, so we may have some trees growing. They're not completely dead. I mean, still. Tomatoes. Insane tomatoes. I really need to spend a bit of time in here and get everything up again. My pumpkin, look at the size of it. Pretty pumpkin. I think some of my spuds are nearly ready. Sweet corn's tuck on the back. Sweet corn's tuck on the front. This has gone insane. Look at the size of the flowers. Absolutely huge. More grapes than I know what to do with. Actually, we're starting tomorrow. We're gonna start taking some grapes off. I've got some more tomatoes here. That one's nearly ready.
She's just literally gone on your plant beds and pulled out an onion.
No.
That's not even ready yet.
Go.
I haven't.
Stand at the garage. Stay there. Got more pumpkins growing. Well, growing, but I don't think they're actually going to take. We struggle with these ones. I've got another one over there. Tomato. Why order tomatoes?
There is a lot of grapes in here.
Yeah, we start plucking them tomorrow. Some of these tomatoes need stringing up. We're losing them. They're falling. They're literally quite
Floppy.
tall.
Yeah.
We're losing space. We've lost the greenhouse to grapes, so I need to find string and get some of these strung up.
Tomato.
Lots of tomatoes.
I think it's ready. Oh.
2 little tomatoes. But no, we're losing the greenhouse. We've lost the greenhouse. Don't stand on the squash, will you?
No.
There's a squash there as well. I don't know where that one ends. You nettled yourself.
Don't know if I itchy liver. I know itchy liver.
Yeah, you probably nettled yourself. I just nearly fell over.
Sorry.
The wind's destroyed our... Well, not destroyed our sunflowers. They're now floppy sunflowers. Sweet corn We pulled one yesterday to check, not ready. Not far off, but not ready. Squash. There is a squash on one of these.
On there. There you can see it.
Here we go. Weird. Very weird. Leave it there. There's another squash down there, but it's not growing. Oh, it started one. It's near the door. We've got to get rid of some of these. Some lettuce. I think it kills. I'm not sure. Cucumber. Loofah. Loofah is here. Finishes there. Pumpkin number 2. Chilies. We may have lost some of them. When the wind came, it kind of knocked everything down. More tomatoes than we know what to do with. Balsamic pear. I mean, just tomatoes everywhere. I'm losing the will to live for tomatoes.
You've got to stay down there.
There we go, that's that one up. That one's held. Trees, we're trying to get the trees growing. I don't know whether... Well, it's not actually dry. So it may be working. We'll know next year. We need to do some greenhouse work with it being wet.
Yeah.
Need to clear some at weeds, try and find it, get some tomatoes up. So, guess what we're doing? Greenhouse work. Can you go in garage? On other side, there's all that baling twine. Blue. Used to hold bales of hay together. You're getting too big for the brooder. I want to clean out there. We've got to go and fetch bedding. Kids are back at school, so it's been weird. Tobias! I think Tobias is a girl. Tris is a boy. Aren't you, Tris? I don't know about the other two yet. But I'm getting too big for the brooder. She's there. And we're starting. I'd say I'll pull them. No, it's hung up on the side. Try again. That's not blue. Adam. What to call her, Eve? Brown doe, both pregnant. Negredo, pregnant. Mummy and babies, and the babies will be coming away soon because we've got to wean them. You're all big, aren't you? Hi, Rex. Beautiful. Normally come up for kisses.
No, I'm not stupid. Instead of grabbing this, I went and grabbed that bow saw thingy.
You pillock.
I actually grabbed the sword bit on the sharp bits.
Blue eyes down. Absolutely gorgeous. Had to thin the tomatoes out. They just weren't growing, weren't reddening, weren't doing what they're supposed to, but we've still got loads left. Starting to turn, plus we've got all them down there to do. But drastically, they couldn't breathe. I found a cucumber plant with one there and one's fell off. Look at that. That's a nice cucumber. And the squash plant. I found the squash plant.
Looks a lot better in here now.
And we've got daylight from the outside because I've just cleared that. Come on. It's time to go get ready for school. But we found the glass. Now the tomatoes should start doing what they're supposed to. Should. Hopefully. Maybe.
There's not that many anymore, is there?
There's still plenty of tomatoes. You can see them through glass. Still loads of tomatoes. I just had to thin them out. So, stay tuned. Tobias. These guys have been out all day. Put the board away. That's hard to get in and out. But they're not quite ready to stay off here overnight, are we? You're a boy, aren't you? You should be Tobias. You're a girl. So these four will go back in overnight. We need to clean the cage out, so we'll bring all the chicks out tomorrow. Come on, Tris. Come on, Tobias. So they've been out all day, but it's a little bit chilly at night. Had food and water, but... Attached is a video of them going nuts at the water. They have had water. That was full. My shed is flooded because they've been out all day. As you can see, everyone's going nice and big. Get them cleaned out tomorrow. It's nice they can go outside. Adam's doing well, aren't you, Adam? Adam, can you come and say hi? He's a big boy. He can be mean, but he can also be quite friendly. He likes a good nose scratch. We leave it at that. We've got brown dough. We'll just get them all hay for tonight. She's a big girl. Pregnant to Adam. We have white dough. Well, blue Callie or silver Callie with Rex coat. She's a good girl. Sorry I've not had many videos lately. I've been a bit waylaid with school preparations. Yeah, there's lots of bunnies in here. 3 have homes. I'm surprised no more have gone. These two will go, the 2 whites aren't pure white, they'll go Callie. And then we've got blue eyes. They're all soft as milk. And we got Rex. Aren't we, Rex? Baby bunnies! Hi.